And in this video, I'll show you how to create the first scene of your scribe and save it. Log into Videoscribe with your email and password and click the Create a New Scribe button on the project screen to start with a blank canvas. Let's build our first scene. To start off, let's add an image by clicking the Add New Image button to open the built-in image library. You'll see your recently used images are here ready to be used again. Browse through our library to find a huge range of quality images. They are organized into folders which you can scroll through. We are always adding new image packs and updating the library. With over 7,000 free images, there's a lot of choice. But you can always use the search bar to quickly find the one you want. You can see the images as thumbnails, but if you want a closer look, just right-click and preview. Once you're happy, just click on the image and it's added to the canvas. It's easy to resize and position images just by clicking and dragging with your mouse. This is one of our highlight images, which you can use to create a really smart and professional style. You can also import your own images into Videoscribe. This works for SVG, JPEG, PNG, and GIF files. I'm going to import a screenshot from our help site. To do this, we'll go back to our Add New Image button. But this time, we'll use the Import option. You can import an image from the internet by entering its URL or from your computer. I've got the screenshot saved locally. Find and select the image you want. Next, you'll get some animation options, so you can choose how you want the image to appear on your canvas. Let's set this image to be drawn. This reveal style works best for more complex images and photographs. Next, let's add some text. Click the Add New Text button here and type your message into the text box, using the return key to space your text over multiple lines. You can adjust the color, alignment, font weight, and font like this. Let's go for blue and black to match our highlight color. Center aligned, and I think the lobster font will suit this whiteboard animation nicely. Click the tick to add it to the canvas. You can then position and resize it just like your images. So, just like that, we've already created our first scene with images and text personalized and ready to go. Let's preview it. Before we finish, we'll save our project so that we can come back and work on it in the next tutorial. The Save As button is up here. This is where we choose our save destination and we give our project a name as it saves as a .scribe file. This is useful if you want to send the project file to someone else for them to work on. If you're feeling organized, you can create a new folder and save multiple versions of your Scribe project in one location. Clicking Save will save your project locally in your selected destination. But you can also save your project online. Selecting the Online tab with the globe icon will upload it to your Videoscribe cloud folder, so that you can access it from other devices. Now that you can create your first scene and save your project, in tutorial 2, I'll show you how to move around the canvas, zoom, and set the camera position, all of which will help us build your second scene. Thanks for watching. See you next time.